not very bright.
Yo, guys, this is another brand new Jumanji video here today, guys. I mean, are you serious? I got 2,300 views, guys. If you were that many, can you please subscribe to the channel? I mean, are you serious? In just 12 days. Wow, I'm really happy. I mean, views good, but subscribers would be great. And guys, comment down below what school, where are you going at? I'm going to Timothy Edwards right here because that's why I moved here to South Windsor. Okay, so here we go. If you guys love Dogs Playing, well, here it is.
Good girl. Oh,
They're jumping everywhere.
She just rolls them over.
Have invented their own secret gibberish languages, and that we would all be expected to listen to this gobbledygook and take it seriously and even speak ourselves. I think if someone had told me that, or told me like anything else about
Oh, Rod, you just takes it
modern
away.
society, I would have simply gone
Oh.
and set sail into the Pacific.
You gotta play tug of war?
There goes the tug of war.
And lived out. In fact, this is an option that I'm still actively considering even now.
They just start with the growling. They just start. Wait, here we go. Here we go.
Published an interview last night with the author
Man,
of
Arlo's just pushing it.
Okay, Arlo, I gotta break to you right now. I don't think you're gonna win tug of war, baby.
article with this caption. This is what it says.
You make 6 in a row.
Time spoke to genderqueer author and
Oh my
illustrator
goodness.
Maya Kobe on about
Arlo, now's your chance.
the efforts to restrict access to air writing and what
Wow,
they
that's
make
a-
of the
that's
current
a lot of fun.
cultural moment. Now those aren't typos, so it would be impossible to tell if they were. These are rather
Yeah, so yeah, that's a little bit of Dogs Playing right there.
this is made clear in the article.
But guys, 2,000
Just a
viewers.
small portion of it. It says,
I would just say I'm really happy that all of you guys are watching my videos. And guys, 2 new subscribers. I do not know who, but thank you so much for subscribing to my channel.
Arlo, hold on, buddy.
We are hoping that we could get maybe 50 or 30 subscribers until like I don't know. Next week. Next week we're thinking that next week. Next week if we reach the 30, one of you guys has to comment on down on me. What special video should I do? But really, that is a lot. Yep, so if you like school, please subscribe. If
They're back at it, dude.
if you really hate homework, please put a like down below because
They're back
I
at it, dude.
wait a minute. This is actually not over. This is actually not over.
I was gonna bring them outside.
Sorry about this, but unexpected right now. It's unexpected. Here they are again. You know what's kind of funny, guys? Arlo keeps rolling over all over the place. Here they are.
One big collective stroke and started babbling nonsensically through things. These are rather non-binary pronouns, so-called neo-pronouns.
Look at them go, man.
They are words Maya simply invented in her pronouns and now demands we all use in reference to them. The argument often put forward in defense of neo-pronouns is that although they're made up, well, so is every other word.
You wanna go outside? Yeah, you wanna go outside? Come on.
Wow, so that was unexpected.
Oh, good girl, good
It was
boy.
kind of surprising that
Good, I'm going outside with them in a second.
it was kind of surprising.
Oh, wait.
They really do like rain.
We don't leave.
But yeah, so we were thinking to put some fences down because we don't really want the dogs to really escape. So that's why we always have to come outside to keep an eye on them. Okay. Hold on. If you guys want to get a little more view, here are they.
This follows a logical process, and the words all mean something. And that meaning is understood.
It was kind of surprising. Arlo really likes some rings. Zoe doesn't. But they both hate the towel, that's for sure.
It must mean something to be a word.
Yeah,
and it
so.
must be shared. It must
think that's the video. We're gonna wrap it up. Please subscribe if you want to see more of the dogs playing videos. And please, please, guys, please comment down below for what video should I do next, like a blindfold taste challenge from some type of company, or like gaming for like 1 hour, or else try to invite a special guest over. But yeah, thanks guys. See you later. Goodbye.